and more complex. Reverend Winnie is worried about how people treat the deaf in our society.
Most of us know that outside Ghana, everybody is treated well. Outside Ghana, I've been treated well, and wherever you go, we have interpreters around where they help you with your communication. But in Ghana, people see you and sometimes they don't even want to get closer to you.
In Ghana, 5 million people live with a disability, making them the country's largest minority. They face severe social stigma, creating a culture of entrenched discrimination. Reverend Winnie has some thoughts on how society can make life better for members of the deaf community.
I want people to show love to the deaf people and support them as well. And I wish a lot of people can learn the sign language, at least to break the communication barrier between the deaf and the hearing, and also job opportunities for the deaf people.
This pastor wasn't born deaf. He recounts what led to his hearing loss.
At age 5, I fell sick, and then they took me to hospital. I was admitted for about a month, and we were 20 kids in one ward. All the 19 kids died, and I was the only one who survived, and I became deaf from then.
Did they tell you what sickness it was?
CSM.
Out of intense curiosity, I find out why he still preaches, even though he's not yet benefited from the healing power of God.
God has a reason why people become deaf. Jesus can heal, yes, he can heal. He has a reason why he has not healed me. Even if I was healed, maybe I will not start this ministry.
I've learned how to sign "thank you" and "God bless you," something that makes Reverend Winnie smile, and I leave him feeling fulfilled. Maybe if we all learned how to sign, he and others like him will feel loved and connected. Then we can begin an intensive process of providing tailor-made services for the deaf in Ghana. Benis Abubedu, GhVloggaKing, Accra.
Now for the millions